Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we will be looking into the content types, what it is, how we can use it, and what is the benefit of using content type. So, content type is basically a type of a document which can be used across every sites in the environment to have one particular dedicated document to be used by everyone. So suppose you have a format and you are into billing department. So basically you have a format and you want to bill every order in a particular format. So in these type of scenario you can use content type. You can create a particular format and can upload it into SharePoint and can ask your users or your department billers to use that particular format and create the document. So in these type of scenarios, content type will come in handy, and how to use it, we'll look into it. So first you can create a content type on the library level. So it means that once you create a document content type on the library, it can only be used into that particular document library. It cannot be used in a different library. In order to use that content type in a different library, then you need to create that particular content type on the site collection level. And the moment you create the content type on the site collection level, then it can be used in every stages, or you can say subsite and subsite of a subsite. So it can be used anywhere under that particular parent site. So let's look into this in practical. So firstly, let's create a content type on the document library level. So first of all, I have this honey site opened up. I have this document library opened up, and in order to create the content level on the document library level, so I'll click on new and I will click on add template. So the moment I click on add template, it will ask me to add a particular type of a template. So I have this already created, C type. So I'll click on this, I'll select this and it will be uploaded. Okay. So I have this already, so I'll just replace this. Okay, so it's been uploaded now. Let's come up here. Okay, we have this C type, so let's click on create. Okay, so it is opening up. All right. Okay, so it's opened up, and you can see that it has a format. It asks name, age, DOB, and MOM. So I'll just quickly put up the information here. Rahul, age, and my age is 30. Okay, DOB, so let's keep it short, make in October. Okay, and MOM, it will be test. Okay, so the document will be saved. I can cancel it. Document is saved now. Okay, it's created. Okay, and suppose this document I want to use it in a in a different document library. I cannot use it. I need to either create the same in a different library, or either I can create the same on a site collection level and then I can use it. And one more thing, like suppose you want to make some changes into this particular content type, you can also do that. Click on edit menu, then select your content type, click on edit. Okay, and it will ask to open the content type in the by default it picks up the client application. So it is opening up in the client application Word. So it opened up now. Okay, I have this name, age, DOB, and M1, and on the top you can see that upon the save option I have this universal unidirection arrow. So it means that once I click on it, it will be uploaded to SharePoint. So let me make some changes to it. So it's MOM. Okay, and let me put in something like let's details. Okay, and once I'm finished with the editing part, I'll click on save. So you can see that it is saying that uploading to SharePoint. On the bottom, if you have seen, it says uploading to SharePoint. Let me show you once again. I'll refresh it. Okay, so uh, it was there for a small fraction of time, but if you do it practically, you would be able to see it by your own. Okay, so the file has been uploaded to SharePoint, so I can close it. Okay, and let's save this. Okay, let's refresh it once. Okay, then we'll create one document by using the same template. I'll click on C type. Okay, it will open up, and one more thing I would show you, that suppose, okay, you can see the details is there. I can fill up the details once again. Rahul, age is 30, DOB October, and MOM cool. Okay, details is also cool. Okay, and it is saving. So suppose that you are done with the template and you want to delete it. If you want to delete the content type, so what you need to do is just click on the edit menu, select the content type which you want to delete, just click on delete. Okay, and it will be deleted from the document library. And if you want to verify, just click on new. Okay, you won't be able to see that the content type which we created. Okay, even if you click on edit new menu, it won't be visible up here. So this is how you manage the content type in a document library level. So in the next video, we'll have a look into the content type on the site level. And till then, happy learning.